What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get 50% off any Viral Launch software or $50 off any of their services. So to begin, obviously we have to go on virallaunch.com, and if you haven't already, make an account and they will send you an email with a link to confirm your account. So after you've done that, you go ahead and log into your account. So after you log in, on the sidebar, there's going to be a list of things that you could do. So for example, if you want to do a launch, you press launch, go to launches and promotions, and if you want to launch a product, you go to add a product. After that, you go ahead and fill in all this information here, and there's going to be a button down below that says have a coupon. So make sure you press this button and you type in the coupon code coupon. Now this is my affiliate link, so you will be supporting me by using this coupon. But make sure you press this to activate the coupon, because the first time I missed it, and once you make the payment you can't go back. So make sure you go ahead and press this and claim the coupon once you've filled everything out. Now if you wanted 50% off their software, you go to the account tab and you type in, or you press modify subscription, and you could either choose monthly or annual. Annual, get the coupon code will give you 15% off any of these packages, but a lot of people like going monthly because they want to test out their software, and you could choose whichever one you want, but a lot of people like to use Pro because it comes with market intelligence, product discovery, and keyword research. And with the coupon code, it's 50% off, so it would only be $50. So let's just say we choose Pro, and then once you select that, we're in monthly again, and then you go to cart, and then once right here it says enter a coupon, you could type in the coupon code coupon if it's not already filled out. And I'll also have a link to Viral Launch down in the description below that could autofill you the coupon code, but just to make sure, you can type it in, you press apply, and there is your 50% off coupon code. I hope this video helped you guys out, but Viral Launch has really good software and I really recommend using them at least for a month to test it out, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.